Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't been here before, then welcome. My name is Deena Danielle, and today we are going thrifting. I am going to try and find something from the thrift store. I'll probably go to Goodwill and see what I can find there, and I am going to flip it and make it really cute. So let's go. But first, I want to show you the outfit of the day. I'm wearing this dress. You may have seen it before in my BeautyCon video because I wore it to BeautyCon. It is from Nordstrom Rack. I got it for like $15. Polka dot black, and then I also got this hair tie at Nordstrom Rack, and it matches the dress, so perfect. These earrings are from Amazon Prime, and I just did a makeup video earlier that you can find on my IGTV if you look me up on Instagram at Nomad Moda, and it'll be posted there for how I did this Fenty Beauty eyeliner and this makeup look. So without further ado, let's go thrifting. Okay, I'm looking through some of the shirts right now to see if there's anything that I could reconstruct. There's lots of colorful pants. The color of the day is yellow, which means anything with a yellow tag is $1. So I'm looking for those specifically. I like these with the glass rim. There's 3 more. They have a whole set. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Okay, here are all the dresses. I'm looking for something sort of structured that has like some extra fabric that I could kind of switch up. Okay, I found a few things to try on here. There's a couple skirts and some dresses. What do we think about this one? I do like the embroidery though. Okay guys, I got some stuff at Goodwill. I got 4 items. It was $11.99 total. A bunch of it had the yellow tags on it, so it was pretty cheap. I didn't get a bag because I'm trying to save the world 1 plastic bag at a time. And I brought my reusable bag, but of course I forgot to bring it into the store, so I just carried it out. My car was close. And I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's real quick and then go home and start this project. Okay, this is what I got. I got this cute crop top that's kind of like tweed, has a zipper in the back. I don't think this actually needs to be changed at all. It's really gonna be cute with the skirt or jeans or some other pants, and it fits well. I also got this dress from, originally it's from Free People. It's kind of like a black to silver ombre, really cute, fits well. I'm not gonna change that either. Then I got this dress that I tried on and I said I looked like a grandma, but I really like the nude color underneath and this black lace. I feel like there's something that could be done with the sleeves or make it shorter, and just like a little bit more modern or for like a younger person. So I'm gonna do something with that. Then I also got this skirt, which like there's nothing really wrong with it. It fits, it has a nice color and fabric, and like this ruching is kind of cool, but it is a little bit long and I feel like I could just make it a little bit prettier. So that's the one that I'm gonna work on today. So guys, this is what it looks like right now. The waist is like a teensy bit big, but that's okay. I can sort of like pull it down a little bit. But I think that the length is not very flattering. It's a little bit too long. As you can see, there's a slit in the back. So I'm probably going to shorten it and then add a little bit of bling. So I just marked it with a Sharpie right here where I want to cut it. I'm going to cut just a little bit above that line so you don't see that mark and make it shorter. So there is a liner inside this skirt, meaning that there's 2 layers of fabric. I just folded this up and I'm going to cut the lining a little bit shorter just to make sure that it doesn't peek out from the bottom. So you guys can see I cut the skirt. It already looks a lot better. There's basically no slit in the back anymore. I'm going to makeshift hem these edges so they don't look so rough and just glue them up with E600 glue. I also put a dot right here because I'm going to make a little slit on this side since basically there's no slit in the back anymore. And I'm going to cut down to that side and down to that side so there's a slit. So I'm just kind of lining the bottom edge of the skirt with the glue and folding it over. I know this is not the proper way to make a hem. You should sew it, but I don't have a sewing machine and there's no way I'm about to do this by hand, so this is the easiest way for me right now. Okay, so now I'm letting all that glue dry and I have this, like these string rhinestones left over from another DIY. I'm gonna use these and probably drape some along the front here, kind of like a rhinestone belt. Okay, so I just cut 7 strips of the rhinestone and I lined them up from longest to shortest. I'm gonna start with the shortest one and sew it on the belt with this thread that I have, this needle that looks very similar to the color of the skirt. Okay guys, so the skirt is done. I'm so excited. I think it turned out good. I put these rhinestones on. They're kind of like a chain belt. I just sewed them onto the side and the other side. And this is kind of how I would wear this, probably to a party. I just wanted to show you the look. This is a silk top that I bought at the Rose Bowl flea market for like a couple bucks. And so I think this looks really cute together. I'm quite pleased. You could also tuck this in and then you would see the belt a little bit more. So you can see the slit turned out pretty well. If anyone is having a party, I'm ready to go.